Radial Flyer is the world's leading builder of wagons, trikes, go-karts for kids and families of all ages. We branched into electric bikes as a natural evolution of the way that families are transporting kids. There is a ton of ongoing innovation in the cargo bike space, so it's critical that we can stay on top of it and be innovating and not be held back by how fast we can work. The Loop cargo bike is the most approachable compact cargo bike for families. Our frame is totally custom, our accessories are totally custom and very intentionally designed. Going back a couple of years, we would have built a full cargo bike with a welded metal frame and then clad it with printed parts. That whole process could have taken us 1 to 2 months. Now, with Fuse X1, we can now print an entire Loop cargo bike overnight and be gluing it together the next day. In the past, if I was printing this with just our Fuse 1s and Form 4Ls, I would have probably put a split line here, 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 here. Like, there's a lot of split lines. With Fuse X1, I can reduce it down to just a handful of parts. The whole front end is one part, the midsection is one part here, and then a couple of joining parts, and then the rear end is one part. So really, it's 3 or 4 sub-assemblies coming together instead of a bunch of little pieces. We were blown away by how we could still do those overnight builds that have kind of become so commonplace in our shop, where you send something to the printer and in the morning you take it off and you look at it. The build volume is 7 times larger than what we could do on Fuse 1, and that's so empowering for the product development process. Fuse X1 gives us the edge in the cargo bike market by allowing us to bring a lot of our product concepts and design theory into real life. I can iterate 3 times as often with 9 times less labor. That's a super appealing value proposition. Fuse X1 raises the bar in what we can deliver for our roadshow prototypes. And our roadshow prototypes are what we show to our retail customers to get buy-in. And we can do that by printing things in-house and not being restricted to off-the-shelf components or other limitations that other brands might have. Everyone is so impressed by the speed with which we can now get from render to full bike in hand. I'm so excited about all the fun products that we have in the pipeline. There's a lot of innovation across our product categories, from bikes and trikes and scooters, that is really going to bring a lot of fun into the world.